Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to follow Save the Redwoods League on LinkedIn and how to engage with our content. To go to LinkedIn on your desktop, you can go to Google, search LinkedIn, and click on the first option. This will take you to the desktop version of LinkedIn. To go to LinkedIn on your mobile device, you will first need to make sure you have the app downloaded. To do this, go to the App Store. Then, click on the magnifying glass in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Search for LinkedIn and download it. My screen says open because I already have the app, but the download button should be where it says open. Once it is downloaded, click on the app to get started. To follow us on LinkedIn, look up Save the Redwoods League in the search function at the top of your screen. Once you have found our page, click on it. Then, hit the blue follow button and you should see our posts on your feed. To like one of our posts, click the thumbs up icon located at the bottom of each post. To comment, click the chat bubble icon located next to the like button. Then type in your comment and hit post. This will publish your comment. To share a post, hit the arrow icon to the right of the comment button. If you only want to share the content to your feed, hit post. If you would like to share and comment on what our post had to say, add what you would like to say about our post and click post in order to post it to your feed. I hope you enjoyed this short how-to video. Thanks for watching.